Hi, today I am going to show you 2 easy science experiments part 14. If this is your first time my channel and want to see more of my videos, start now by clicking the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon so you get notified when I upload videos. For our first experiment, I am going to be showing electrolysis of water. To do the electrolysis of water, you will need a glass of water, some table salt, a 9-volt battery connector, a 9-volt battery and 2 graphite pieces. I got this from a pencil. To do the experiment, first take a glass of water, then add salt to it. The salt creates the water more conductive, makes the water more conductive, like that. Now mix the water. Now I have mixed the water. The next step is to take your graphite pieces and connect the 9-volt battery connector to the graphite pieces. One terminal to this one and the other terminal to this one. Now I have connected the wires to the graphite piece. Now the next step is to put it in the water like that and tape it to the glass. So as you can see, I have taped it to both sides. The next step is to connect the battery to the 9-volt battery connector, and I'll show you it in a bottom angle so you can see what's happening under. Now I have moved the camera to a bottom angle so you can see the electrolysis better. Then I'm going to take my 9-volt battery and connect it, and you can instantly see that the negative side is making 2 times more bubbles than the positive side, because the formula of the water molecule is H2O, so there is 2 times more molecules than in the oxygen. So there are 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule, so in the ratio of 2:1. See? For our second experiment, I am going to be showing hot glue as a fiber optic cable. This is a simple experiment, anyone can try it at home, and you will just need a hot glue stick and a laser. If you don't have a laser, you can also use a LED light, but laser works better. To do the experiment, you will need to take your hot glue stick, and this is like the simplest experiment I have ever done in my videos. Let me turn off the lights. Now take your laser and shine it through this side, and you will see it coming through the other side. So this acts like a fiber optic cable, and in a fiber optic cable the characteristics are, when you shine it from the one side, it bounces inside and comes through the other side. Normally light passes straight, but it bounces inside and comes to through the other side. So let's see. 3, 2, 1. See, the whole thing is lit. Anyone can try it at home, and it's an amazing experiment. See, as I said, you can also use LED, and let me show that. I'm going to use a blue LED. See, but it doesn't work as much as the laser. Now this is a green LED, works better than a blue LED. So those are all the experiments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And today's shout out goes to the Dark Assassin LA. Go subscribe to his channel. And as always, click here to watch my last video and click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.